been. This is the first time I've visited in Nepal. Oh my god, so many. Actually, overall, the people here are so warm and welcoming that every person that I've come across has really been memorable for me. But especially there's this one thing that I was really overwhelmed because I had no idea about it, is when I went to this village called Lupra in Mustang, which is like the remotest village that anyone can be. And we had gone there to have lunch, and the lady who cooked lunch for us, she really recognized me, and she had watched all my films, and I was little surprised and overwhelmed and so humbled and so grateful that something that I work in India had reached to this village, and that made me so nice. I know I'm talking about myself here, but otherwise also like the breathtaking views, or to even Mustang Chintamani resorts, or even Mukti Nath Mandir. I can't get over it. Everything is so amazing in Nepal.
I really feel that Nepal is like very much, you can say, Nepal has everything, right? To saw what luxury is, because luxury is not about just having big buildings, it's about the experience, it's about the warmth, right, that you can really bring to the table. And I think like the warmth that I have seen here, the love that I've felt, right, and the places that I've explored, the hospitality is like amazing. A lot of memories, because to me, I really found Nepal more like, you can say, the way you see a pearl in a shell, right? So it's very much unexplored, right? And especially if I talk about people in India, like I really want to like go out loud and tell what lies in Nepal. It's an understated, you can say, destination, right? It's a beautiful, you can say, terrains, you can say that the food, everything is like so amazing. Everything I like. I think I'm in love with Nepal.
I haven't. This was my first time and it was beautiful. Momo. Oh yes, 100%. I've been having it everywhere at every property with the Nepali achar, and it is just to die for. Like, oof, too good. I think my favorite moment would be when we reach Mustang, because wow, incredible. From that flight to, the view from the flight to when we landed and we realized and we saw the airport and we could literally see the strip from like Chintamani, right? Like while we were going up, and breathtaking, and the views and just the weather, and yeah.
Never. This is my first time. What a great time to be here for the first time. Oh, I have to say, Mustang. That was a stunning property. It was a stunning place. I'm gonna bring my mom back. I have decided. I think she would absolutely love it. The mountains are serene. I think it was a moment where there was quite a lot of cloud coverage over the mountain range, and we wanted to look at the peaks, we wanted to look at the snow. We don't have very much of that in India, and there was one fine day at 8 in the morning where finally some of the cloud coverage was gone, and we got to see the beautiful peaks. It was a divine experience.
I think it was when I took off from Mustang today, because I have taken so many flights across the world and in beautiful locations like Switzerland and the Alps and Thailand. But today I saw something that I had never seen before. It was the power of nature. It was the power of connection to the land that I had not felt anywhere else, and that is something that I will hold very close to my heart. I think Nepal is one of the world's most beautiful destinations. I have never seen anything as delicate and as rugged at the same time as this place. I'm in absolute love.